Welcome to Coding with Scratch, a gateway to creativity and coding where students turn their imagination into digital masterpieces. This course guides young learners through 3 exciting focus areas: Pixel Picasso, Animated Tales, and Game Lab, introducing new coding skills and creative possibilities while helping students become versatile digital creators. In Pixel Picasso, students unlock their inner artist by designing unique pixel art, exploring color, shape, and creative expression as they bring characters and settings to life. In Animated Tales, they turn stories into animations, learning the fundamentals of storytelling and coding as they script dialogues, create movement, and make characters interact in dynamic ways. In Game Lab, students step into game design, building interactive games, designing levels, developing characters, and programming gameplay to turn their coding skills into engaging, playable adventures. Through these projects, students strengthen computational thinking, grow their creative expression, and develop communication skills while collaborating with peers. Join Coding with Scratch today and let your students explore the exciting worlds of coding, animation, and game design.